Check the description below and download these items safely. Import this flower background and then resize. Select the flower layer, come straight to the filter and choose Camera Raw filter. Select the preset and scroll down to black and white. And finally choose black and white infrared. Then click OK. Then make the opacity anywhere between 60% and 80%. Take the rectangle tool and put your shape right here. Turn off the stroke and also the fill. Let's change the color using this code. Open your folder again. Import this black and white texture and put it on the shape. Right click on the texture and choose Create Clipping Mask. Select the blending mode and choose Divide. Now select your photo and bring it inside. I will take my magic eraser tool and then get rid of my background. You can now position your photo like this. Click on the point, then right click and choose Flip Horizontal. Now select the photo. Press Command J or Ctrl J to make a copy. Select the image on top of the shape. Right click and choose Create Clipping Mask. Then select the other image, add Layer Mask, then choose the eraser tool and clean the bottom part of that image. Select the shape tool and let's put one shape here. The color doesn't really matter. Open your folder and then bring in the gold texture. Right click and choose Rotate 90 degrees. Place it right here on top of the shape. Then come to the layer panel, right click and choose Create Clipping Mask. Drag to show the part that you want to show. Turn the stroke of the shape off. Take the text tool and let's begin to add some text. We are first using this font, Maggiore Display. Size 24 and then the color says 80000. Press and hold the Alt key and drag to make a copy. Double click the text and then let's write glory. Change the font type to Valkyrie. And then change the size to 66. And position them just like this. Alright, now take the rectangle tool, place it here, then select the type tool and type your text here. Come to the layer panel, select the rectangle, then move to the properties and turn the stroke off. Also turn the fill off. We are using the same color code throughout. Take the text tool and let's add some fill text here. Font name Maggiore Display, then the size 12. Take the text tool and let's add the name here. For the name of the font, let's use Font Spring Demo. Now adjust and align the text just like this. Follow carefully. Open the folder, then import the gold texture. Right click and choose rotate 90 degrees clockwise. Put it on the text layer. Right click and then choose create clipping mask. Now take the text tool and add the years here. 1932 to 2030. Change the font type to Arial. And then change the size to 18. And then change this one to 560. Now import the black and white texture. And change the opacity to 30%. Import this frame. Then resize and place it here. Then take the rectangle tool and also put the shape right here in the middle of the frame. Then bring in the other photo, place it on the shape, position it just like this. Then come to the layer panel, right click and choose create clipping mask. Then resize properly. Let's change the color of this text to gold. By taking a sample color from here. Okay, now take the shape tool and put one rectangle here. After that, copy it 2 more times and make sure they align properly, because that is where we are going to put our text. So we are going to have 3 pages here. Now delete 2 of the shapes and leave the first one. Come to the color tab and let's change the color using the same color code. Now take the text tool and then add your own text. Now press the Alt key and then drag to make a copy. Double click on the text and type in your own text. Then use the same color code. Make a copy one more time. Double click and also edit this text. Come to the first page. Then select the shape and resize the shape to show the whole text. Then finally, take the shape and put it right here. Make sure it aligns properly. Import the gold tester. Right click and choose rotate 90 degrees clockwise. Then come to the layer panel. Right click and choose create clipping mask. Turn off the stroke. Then finally resize. Now select the frame in the layer panel. Then come to the image adjustment and brightness. Then increase the brightness to match the color of the texture. That will be around 50 to 60. So now we are done with the first style. We also have another style for this. It is like using one stone to kill two birds. So in the second style, change the color of this shape. To this color. Then change the color of the text to pure black or deep red to create the second style. I believe you learned something today. If you have not subscribed, it is the time for you to subscribe. Expect another video very soon.
Thank you.